Okay, what we're going to do today is to install a UT-133 Bluetooth module into an Icom ID-5100. Notice the radio is on the bench upside down, and you have 4 screws in the bottom and 1, 2, 3, 4 screws in each side for the bottom portion of the case. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while I take those screws out. Okay, now the 8 screws have been removed. All we're going to have to do is to separate the bottom of the case and lift it up like so. If you look, this little bracket right here is what holds down the Bluetooth module once you get it installed. So we will go ahead and take that bracket out. And then we will take our UT-133 Bluetooth module. And there is a slot here into the front end of the case, which you probably cannot see. The Bluetooth module will slide right into that slot. And then we line the little white connector up and plug it in. Once that's in place, we take our bracket and reinstall. And slide the case back down on. Now we can put the screws back in and installation is complete. From here on out, all you would have to do is go into the menu and Bluetooth settings and turn Bluetooth on.